is a very special unboxing because I wanted these two cubes since I started YouTube. So let's unbox it. The valk Elite and the qiyi clock. Let's start with the clock. Wow, this is the qiyi clock. Wait, what are these pamphlets? So how to solve the cube, clock, boring stuff. Wow. So my essential clock, which was my only clock, has been broken. Whoa. Okay, so this is really great. Let's do a solve right now. What should I do? Like that, then then 25 seconds. Wow, I haven't solved a clock for a while. Well, let's move on. This cute thing feels really great. Kind of glossy. Wow! There are really lots of stuff. Let's check these first. What are these? Yes, the sticker. Okay. Oh, they were magnets. Ooh, stickers. Yes. Ooh. Wow, this feels really light. What is this feeling? Wow, this feels really weird. Let me set this up with these. So this is really great. And at first it was really blocky and hard to turn, but after listening and living it, this is really great. So this cube is really great. And this is really good. So feature AL keeper here. So my setting is the magnets with the red and rest. I just leave it with wave 5. This feels amazing. And the best part is I have Mass Folks autograph. Yeah. Also, I like the matte plastic with the sound. It's really great. Feature AL keeper again here. So the qiyi clock is not good but not bad. The reason is that these magnets are too weak that I can, like, when I turn this, I can make mistakes like that. And when you shake it a little bit, these pins pop out. That shows how weak the magnets are. But still, I like the colors and the turning. It's really smooth. Yeah, but this clock is, well, great. Because this is my only clock. Well, yeah, but even if I had the Shenshu, I will still main this. So these two will be my main. Thanks for watching and bye bye.